This tutorial shows you how to install TEMA. First of all, you select the executable file sent to you by Image Systems, in this case the 32-bit version of 3.9 beta, and this will start the installation process. In this case, I'm updating an old version and taking the repair option. A new install works the same way. Now I am looking at the configuration code, which you will have to enter by cut and paste preferably. This will be given to you by your agent and will control the modules of the program that are available to you. Now the installation is proceeding. When the installation is finished, call up your TEMA from the desktop icon and go back to the Tools, License and Request option. Enter your company, your country and the name of your agent. The installation program will provide you a request.txt file to save to your desktop. Send this to support@imagesystems.se and they will send you back a license file. Then you need to go back into the program, into the Tools, License and Install option, find the license file that you were sent, and it will load automatically, and then the installation is complete and your TEMA should be operational.